In this video, I will show you how to transfer Solana from Trust Wallet to Phantom Wallet. So first of all, open up your Phantom Wallet and then from here go and click on Solana or click on Receive from the Home tab. I'm just going to click on Receive. And then from here, you need to copy the Solana wallet address to your clipboard. So let's go ahead and click on this icon in here. And now we need to open Trust Wallet to paste in this wallet address. Go ahead and open your Trust Wallet and then go ahead and click on Send. And once you do that, you need to select the crypto asset that you want to transfer. And in this tutorial, that is Solana. So let's go ahead and click on this. And now we need to paste in the wallet address from Phantom that we just received. So let's go ahead and click on Paste in here. And then click on Allow Paste. And now we need to enter the amount that we want to transfer. And I'm just going with everything I have. And now you need to click on Next. And you can also add a memo if you want. But I'm just going to click on Next. And here you will see the transaction details, and you will also see the network fee and the max total. So everything is right. So I'm going to click on confirm. And as you can see, the transaction is now in progress. So now it will take a few minutes before it is validated. So let's go ahead and click on X. And now we need to wait until the transfer is complete. So as you can see, the Solana has already been received in my Phantom wallet. So this happened almost instantly. So that is how you do it. I hope this video helped you out. Please leave a like and consider subscribing. Then I will see you in the next one.